Hi. Right, this is a throttle body from a Jeep Compass 2 litre petrol, 2012 Sport, that is. We were getting a code P2110 and all the other codes related to the ECM train of electronics, and enabling you to operate the butterfly, as it were, by the throttle, and not having an actual throttle cable, but it's all done by electronics. We were getting stuttering, we were getting basically all the lights coming on. Yeah, we were getting the butterfly light coming on, showing it was something to do with that, but didn't know 100%. But certainly the code that was the key one was the 2112, and changed it out today. First of all, it was rattling, and also it's filthy, but there's a link there, gritty bit when you press the butterfly, so it's sort of locking up and then not even closing properly. It really is had it inside. There's a hear that, there's a graty bit, but it's difficult to show. And then there. So yeah, so I got this on eBay, plenty around, the right one, and wasn't sure, but in fact it was bang on, which is great. So yeah, it's also making a sort of shaking noise as well. So running through, got the codes, got stalling, cutting out, all the bits and bobs, and wasn't sure, but it did seem to go towards this throttle body. So good thing also, they actually sent through a new washer into the inlet manifold, which was rather good. So that's the old one, so there's a new washer in there as well, which is actually that side. It goes that side because that goes into the engine like that, with the inlet that side. So that slots in a groove, and basically there's 4 points holding it, and there's a bracket also that like that, bracket that comes off here. Bracket that comes off here that goes onto the I think onto the chassis or engine, it doesn't matter, I can't remember. Yeah, just 2 long bolts. Sorry, 2 long bolts there and 2 long bolts at the bottom, as you can see there. Then you've got the push connection here, very easy to undo. Of course, it is a bit of a bugger to get to, but once you've removed the inlet pipe with the mass airflow sensor in, which actually I cleaned as well with the special mass airflow cleaner. Basically, I think it's alcohol. I sprayed alcohol, but I cleaned that whilst I was at it, because that's fixed within the inlet soft pipe, as it were, which is between the filter and the and here. It goes onto here with a clamp. There's 2 clamps to undo. Then once that's off, yeah, it's just a slow case of getting your hand down there and undoing it all. So I've just gone for a test drive, and about 10 miles, and the Jeep's running beautifully. So it's good news so far. I checked for codes again with the scanner, and there's no new codes come up, which is good, and it hasn't. You can hear that. Quite ridiculous. And this has done about 45,000 miles, so don't think it's only high mileage. And it's a lot of things. It stutters, it stalls, all the red lights, it completely cuts out. It goes on to limp mode, the limp home at 5 miles per hour. But then if you restart it again, it usually gets rid of it. So in a way, I was pleased to actually find something quite severe. Can't believe actually the Jeep was running so well with incredible problem, because there's 9 gears in here, and obviously they've, you know, they wear out, and one's gone out completely, I think, because it actually shakes. You hear that now? Yeah, well the new one didn't. So anyway, I just thought I'd have a little chat about this manifold. So I'll leave you to it. Thanks a lot. Bye.